Dad, you ready for this?
Yep.
Alright, eat it. I'll give you $5 if you eat it. By the way, call me Z-Play. This is going on YouTube.
Alright, Z-Play. With all this grilled out chicken, I think I will eat the piece that you grilled out.
Yeah.
Z-Play himself grilled this piece of chicken. Looks like a jalapeno, but
It's chicken.
it's chicken. See, it's still smoky and steamy. Mmm.
Alright, eat it.
Grilled to perfection.
How's it taste?
Just crunchy. Hard. Smoky. But satisfying.
Not really.
You want to try?
Yeah, I'll try some. No, seriously, Dad, is it that bad? It's not bad at all? Ugh.